Alright, welcome back guys to Hacksplain, and we're still looking at the difficulty 1 OS2 shop vulnerabilities. And right now we have the challenge of the missing encoding problem. The description says retrieve the photo of Bjoern's cat in melee combat mode. So first we gotta think, where can we find pictures? And if we look at the side menu, we see the photo wall. So let's go to the photo wall, and we see that there is 3 different images. One of them is not displayed correctly. So let's go into our developer tools, and for that one we won't even need Verb Suite. We're going to use the inspect button, go to the image and look at the image tag over here, and what we see is the hashtag right here is the anchored tag inside a URL. So basically that tag, that character, splits the URL in 2 parts, and obviously that doesn't work, so we gotta do something with that hashtag. And I have an amazing tool for you today which is called Cyberchef, and I'm going to put down the hashtag over here as input and go to the search and search for URL, and what we can find over here is our URL encode module. So let's do that, and what we will see over here is if we click that, we get back that the URL encoded version of the hashtag is the %character followed by the number 23. So let's go back to OS2 shop and let's go to that URL right over here, and we just learned that this translates to %character 23, and we see that we have this character 2 times, so let's exchange it over here as well, and let's see what happens if we click on enter. And we see that Sachi, what the cat is called, is showing up and greets us with her lovely pillow or whatever that is. Alright, so we've successfully solved the challenge, and we now know how Sachi looks like. See you next time.